We're gonna see if we can beat Outback. We're gonna see if we can beat their price. American blend right here. This weekend, they have boneless ribeyes for only $5.99 a pound. Let's get some. All right, so here's another deal. We get these big old 1 pound of bag of shrimp for just $7. It's boneless ribeyes for only $5.99 a pound. There's the sour cream. Now, if you really wanted to save some money, you can get something like this. These are only $1 a piece. All right, so the last thing we got to get are these bacon bits. Let's cover these in oil. You wonder how you know what a good steak is? Let me show you real quick. See all that little marbling? See all that stuff? That is what makes a ribeye amazing. All that marbling increases the flavor. So if you don't see any of this marbling like you see in there, all those little white dots, then it's not a good steak. Move on, get you another one. For tomorrow morning, I'm gonna cook an extra one so we can have steak and eggs in the morning. Okay, so while the potatoes are cooking, we're gonna season the steaks and let them air for 30 minutes. That makes your steaks cook so much better. Do it next time, you're gonna love it. All right, look at that, season your steaks. Montreal seasoning if you don't wanna be bothered with it. That's what Outback uses. Just so you know, I know that making a salad from scratch is much better, but not everybody wants to do that. So just pick yourself up a pre-made salad, put it in a bowl, put some little seasoning on it, put some bacon bits, put some cheddar cheese on it, and you are golden. All right, so now we need to talk about how exactly you get the best deal on a steak, right? So one of the ways is you look for manager specials, you look for sales, you look for those kind of things, coupons, rewards, all kinds of deals. Most of your grocery stores are gonna have all kinds of specials. All those manager specials, those things are incredible because that's when they're right at their prime. They're ready to cook, ready to throw right on your grill, ready to throw right in your pan. Like I love to cook in a cast iron pan, but you can cook it however you want. That's how you get a great deal on a steak. Secrets. God is great. God is good. Let us thank him for our food. In Jesus' name, amen. I'm curious about this bread. Ooh, nice and warm. The butter's nice and soft too. Let's see if it's as good. Oh my. Now that's how you cook a baked potato. I mean, I know that there's a certain value in having them bring you food and, you know, doing all that. You know, there's a certain value in that, 100%. You know, I would say that if it costs the same to cook at home as it does to go out to a restaurant, then I would say, yeah, we eat at a restaurant every single meal. For the two of us to go to Outback, it would have been about $98. Let me give you a price breakdown, but before I do that, I want to ask my wife how she liked it. How was it, baby?
It was delicious.
All right, so I almost feel like I'm stealing, right? Because I was able to get all of this for only 56 bucks. Hey, so did you like that video? I think that you can make a lot better steak at home for a quarter of the price. And so I showed you how you can do it. Anyway, if you like this video, let me know. This is a new kind of series of videos I thought about shooting. So if you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know that too. Click like and follow. Follow this other, you can check out this other video I got up there. YouTube thinks you'll like it. Who knows, maybe you'll like this other one. Anyway, click like and follow. Tell me what you think. Leave your comments, please.